A Bedford County judge has told homeowners at Ivy Lake they will not have to pay for repairs on the dam there.
Now, as we've reported, the lake and the dam are owned by Liberty University, which doesn't believe that it should be held responsible for the dam's $1 million repair bill. It's been called into question. WSLS 10's Rob Manch spoke with the school and a homeowner and has the details for us tonight.
Ivy Lake and the dam that comes with it were gifted to Liberty University several years ago. But when the Department of Environmental Quality brought necessary repairs to the school's attention, it looked for an alternative. Several people living around the lake said they'd help take on the cost, but others said, no way. And now Judge Updike says you can't make them pay. Liberty General Counsel David Corey says in the original deal, the school would transfer ownership to the homeowners and loan them up to $1 million for the repairs.
That was the ultimate deal that was struck, was we'd finance all the repairs and allow them to pay us back over 20 years interest-free.
While he says hundreds of homeowners were on board with the plan, a few were not.
It was the owners of 6 lots that filed the motion to dismiss those 4 counts. So six out of the whole group kind of destroyed the agreement.
One homeowner who wasn't named in the lawsuit but was against Liberty's proposal was Reggie Lynch.
I was just glad to hear you can't be forced to take ownership.
Lynch says he didn't want to become a part owner to a lake that would have endless maintenance fees. Now that a judge has said he doesn't have to, Liberty is thinking of other solutions.
We could have something where Liberty continues to use the lake and we, in a cooperative fashion, work together and split the cost. Liberty's been willing to do that as well.
But Lynch says even taking a half ownership is not going to be popular with him and his neighbors.
The sense I get from the majority of people is they don't want to do anything where it requires taking ownership. And as far as paying half of the repairs, I doubt people are interested in doing that.
Corey has said that if Liberty can't come to an agreement with the homeowners, it will see if it has the legal authority to destroy the dam and drain the lake. That would be tricky, as the only road leading to houses like Lynch's goes right over the dam. Corey says there will be a court hearing to determine whether or not Liberty has that option. Meanwhile, Liberty also has the option to appeal Judge Updike's ruling, but has not yet decided if it will. In studio, Rob Manch, WSLS 10.